So I'm going to show you how to connect your Echo Show 5 to a different Wi-Fi network. Now, ideally, when you set it up with your phone, it actually just picks up the Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. But let's say you want to connect this to a different Wi-Fi network. All you have to do is swipe down and then tap on Settings. Under Settings, you want to go to Network, and then under Wi-Fi, go ahead and add a different Wi-Fi network. So you're going to see a list of all the available Wi-Fi networks. So it'll allow you to scan. And once it's done scanning, it's going to list for you all the other available Wi-Fi networks. So all you have to do is select a different Wi-Fi network from the list of available ones, type in the password. Now, since it has a screen, you can actually just type the entire password right on the device. Once you're done typing, tap on done and then hit connect. And that's going to switch your Wi-Fi network from the one it had before to this new one. Thanks for watching and good luck.